So I think I picked out the one that I want.
Okay.
I really like this one.
Okay.
So what's the next step?
So if you're sure you like this one, let's just see if it fits you properly. Okay, so just put the helmet on so you can see whether or not you think it fits. Pull out on the straps. Lift up the visor so you don't suffocate in there right now. So you want to keep your head straight. Don't let me move it. What do you think? Do you think that fits?
No, definitely
Obviously,
not.
Definitely not. There's way too much room. You can take it off, and I'll explain to you the real purpose to a helmet fitting properly. Despite DOT approval, despite ECE approval, despite Snell approval, it doesn't matter what standard it is. If it does not fit properly, it doesn't matter what kind of standard is done to the helmet. The issue that you have with this helmet that you just put on, I let you put it on so that you can see how it fits, and you obviously know it doesn't fit. Why doesn't it fit? You saw that there was too much space in the forehead, there was too much space on the side, there was too much space in the back, and the helmet freely moved and slid all over your head. What we're looking to do is have the helmet fit as snug as possible without being uncomfortable. Okay. So pull on the straps, don't hurt it, it's not gonna break. Pull out as far as you can. Same deal. Bring the helmet to the front, as close to your eyebrows as possible. So now there's about an inch space here with the eyebrows. You wanna keep your head stiff, don't let me move it. There's no sliding. You can see the top of your skin here, pulling with the helmet. It's snug on the cheeks. Each helmet will give about 10% as you break it in. As long as you feel snugness and not piercing pressures on your temples or on your forehead or on the top of your head. So as long as you feel this feeling and not poking feeling and a nice snug fit, you know that you've got a fit helmet. And with the snug, fit, purposefully fitted helmet, you know that you'll be as safe as possible.
We see a lot of people come in after a motorcycle accident and their helmet may look fine. Does it need to be replaced? What should they do?
A helmet should never be reused once it is dropped. So whether it has been in an accident or whether it's been dropped from 4 feet on a counter or off a table, a helmet's shell can be compromised, and that's something that you cannot see. If the helmet's all taken apart and gutted, maybe you could see that there's damage to it, but the whole point of the EPS liner is to absorb the shock.
And how often do you recommend people get new helmets?
The standard is 5 to 7 years. It depends on usage. If it hasn't been used a lot, once a season or something, you can maybe go to 7 years, but usually 5 years is the standard. So it's a good idea to check and try to remember when you bought your helmet and how old it is so that it can be replaced.
Sonia, thank you so much for your time today.
You're welcome.
And if anybody has any questions whatsoever about helmets, come and see Sonia and her team at Bergen County Harley-Davidson in Rochelle Park.